welcome back to PhatKid Garage. In today's episode, we're going to go over some of the parts we're going to install for this rear tub and narrowing the rear end. Most of the stuff is made by Detroit Speed and looks like good parts, but I figured I'd lay everything out, make sure everything was here, and kind of go over it for you piece by piece. So let's go over the list. All right, so one of the other pieces my buddy bought were these Maker's Garage pinch weld, I guess, covers. They're supposed to hide the pinch weld from up above. I haven't seen these personally on a car. I saw some on their website, and like I said, it's not my thing, but they're actually pretty cool. They're definitely good quality, kind of like the splitter. And then we come up here to all the Detroit Speed. It actually runs a Fox coilover. Those are the brackets for the lower. We have new lower control arms, new upper control arms. Every bit of hardware. We're putting a Detroit Speed sway bar setup on it. And we're also going to put a UPR billet diff cover. These are the wheel tubs that come from Detroit Speed. They're actually pretty cool. They should go right in once everything's cut out. After going over their instructions, and it looks like a fairly straightforward process, so I'll go ahead and show you the car beforehand, and then we'll do some videos after we start cutting and getting everything fit up. So this is what we're starting with. I already did a bare big brake kit and 5-lug conversion on the rear. It's all stock wheel tubs. Again, this brake setup's brand new, doesn't have any miles on it. Got stock upper control arms. It's got some sort, looks like Global West lower control arms, but those are going to get replaced. Right here is where the actual lower mount for the new coilover setup is going to go. And it uses this hole up here for the upper mount. It actually comes with a die that you drill this out, and then a bracket with a swivel that you mount the upper shock on. The kit looks really complete. Obviously everything's straightforward in pictures, but we'll see what kind of a monster it can turn into. So just wanted to show you kind of before and after shots. Let's see how it goes. All right, so all the interior is ripped out. Should be able to start cutting and removing everything tomorrow. There you go. Hoping to have the mini tub and everything done by the end of this weekend, so stay tuned, check it out. Alright, so if the pile of parts you have doesn't look at least this big, you're doing something wrong. Alright, that should just about wrap up this episode of PhatKid Garage. We went over all the parts we're going to install on this 93 coupe, including the mini tub and all the Detroit Speed coilover conversion. We also gutted the interior in the back to make room for the tubs and get to cutting on this thing. So stay tuned for the next couple days while we get to cutting and installing the wheel tubs and get that coilover kit installed. Also, we're going to be doing an update on White Trash, the White Lightning I bought a few months ago. It's definitely come a long way since then. And the other one is doing the supercharger upgrade, putting the Kinney Bell on Leroy. So lots coming down the pike, and hopefully soon. So stay tuned to PhatKid Garage, and hope you like what you see. I'm out.